Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your MetaQuest 3 to your TV. The first step is actually casting to a TV. The requirements: a TV must have a built-in Chromecast support or an external Chromecast device. And the MetaQuest app installed on your smartphone is needed for it, Android or iOS. And both the MetaQuest 3 and your TV need to be connected to the same network. This is an important one, otherwise it will not work. Power on your TV and the MetaQuest 3 and ensure your TV is ready to receive a cast and the MetaQuest 3 is turned on. When you launch the MetaQuest app you have installed before and then open it on your phone and ensure still they are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then access the casting feature. It has a feature of casting in the MetaQuest app and tap on it. It looks like a screen with the Wi-Fi waves. You also have it with all other apps you can cast in. It's the same emblem. Then select your MetaQuest 3 headset with this one and then choose your TV as the casting device. It will be your TV must show up there and then you can start casting. Put on your MetaQuest 3 and open the universal menu. Go to quick settings, share and cast and confirm the TV or Chromecast device you want to cast to. And then the notification on the TV will appear and also on the MetaQuest 3. And that's how to do it one way. And the second way, if you do it through a HDMI cable, that's optional. If casting isn't an option or you prefer a wired connection, just if you don't have a Chromecast device, then you can a device like a PC or a HDMI adapter that supports the Oculus content and HDMI cable to connect your TV. Connect the MetaQuest 3 to a PC. Use the USB-C cable you got in the package. For example, this one, that's the best option. And then connect the PC to the TV and mirror the PC's display to the TV. It's a bit harder way to do it, but if you don't have a Chromecast, this is actually your solution. Then configure display in your PC's display settings. Ensure the TV is set as the output source. As you can see, the method is less seamless, but if casting isn't available for you, this is your best solution. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is strong, and for the best experience, all your apps have to be up to date and also your TV to have the best experience. That's actually how to connect your MetaQuest 3 to your TV. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I will try to help you out.